Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make LABOUYI farina, also known as cream of wheat. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 3 cups of water, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 6 star anise, half cup of cream of wheat flour, a pinch of salt, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of butter. Now in the boiling water, I'm adding star anise, cinnamon, and salt. Next, I will add half cup of water to the flour. Mix it very well to prevent any lumps. I'm adding the mixture to the boiling water and stir it for 2 minutes. After the water is evaporated, I will add sugar, butter, evaporated milk, nutmeg, and vanilla and leave it on medium-low heat. After all the ingredients has been added, I let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This is the end result. Let's see how it tastes. It's delicious. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.